All right, the battle to change congressional maps ahead of the 2026 midterms is expanded. Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton says he's filing a lawsuit with the state Supreme Court to remove some of the Democratic lawmakers who have not shown up for a special session to redraw, redraw maps in that state. Officials are also suspending direct deposits for Texas lawmakers who continue to be absent. Meanwhile, Democratic lawmakers in California are now vowing to hold a special election in November to redraw the state's congressional map in a direct response to the Texas plans. CNN's Arlette Saenz is joining us right now. Arlette, walk us through where things stand and what potentially comes next.
Well, Fred, the Republican push for redistricting in Texas remains at a standstill as those Texas House Democrats are sticking to their strategy to remain out of the state in order to prevent a vote on redistricting from happening. Now, there are Republican lawmakers in the state of Texas who are really trying to amp up the pressure on these Democrats to get them to return home. Just today, the Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton filed a legal complaint in a California court asking that court to enforce the civil arrest warrants for these Texas Democrats. There's a similar lawsuit that's currently pending in the state of Illinois. But the situation in California, the issue here is that many of those Texas Democrats have already left the state. There were 6 who were there yesterday meeting with California Governor Gavin Newsom, and a source familiar with their whereabouts that I spoke with this morning said that they are long gone from California. The California governor seemed to hint at that in a post on social media, mocking Paxton's lawsuit, saying, quote, "You should definitely use all resources looking for them here, Ken. You will totally find them." Now, in addition, as you mentioned, the Attorney General has asked the Texas Supreme Court to remove 13 Texas House Democrats from their seat, but Democrats say that they are undeterred. Here is State Rep Jean Wu, who is the leader of House Democrats in Texas.
We will not be broken by these antics. We are not here to play games. We are not here to make waves, to go viral, or do any of that stuff.
Now, the Texas House Speaker has said that they will reconvene on Monday, but Democrats have shown no signs that they are ready to show up there at the Texas state capitol. And they are facing a time crunch as that legislative session is set to end on August 19th. And some Texas House Democrats have said that they will stay out until the end of session. But very quickly, our attention will also be shifting to the state of California. Yesterday, the Speaker of the Assembly in California said that they are prepared to unveil new congressional maps this coming week. The following week, California could vote on them, and California Governor Newsom has said that he wants to get those maps, a referendum on those maps, on the ballot for November for California voters to weigh in on.
All right. Arlette Saenz, thanks so much.